Hello, students. Good morning. Today we are going to study the point diabetes type first and type seconds. In the diabetes, we know that diabetes is a non-curable disease and it is a genetic also. Generally, diabetes arises due to the hectic lifestyle or disturbed lifestyle. In the diabetes, the parts of the organ, that is the beta cells of Langerhans, that is pancreas, is not able to produce the insulin secretions, and body ta- takes that insulin secretion externally so as to fulfill the requirements of insulin for the conversion of sugar molecule into the energy. There are two types of diabetes: type first, type second, insulin dependent and insulin non dependent diabetes. Type first or juvenile onset diabetes. The juvenile diabetes, hyperglycemia, glucosuria, polyuria, polydipsia develops rapidly. These are the conditions develop rapidly. This diabetes lacks the ability to synthesize and secrete the insulin, depends on the administration of insulin for survival. Type second or maturity onset diabetes. This form affect the people over 40 and symptoms develop slowly. Obesity is often a contributory factor. This type of diabetes can synthesize and secrete insulin, but it is insufficient quantity to sustain the normal metabolism. This is the milder form of diabetes with less ketosis. This disease can be controlled by dietary regulations with or without use of oral anti-diabetics drugs. Next one is the structure, chemical class and uses of cetirizine. Cetirizine is the antihistaminic drug generally given for the patient in which the histamine secretion is produced. Generally, histamine secretion produced in the body for the reaction of the allergic actions. If any person, if any patients having the allergy of particular type of things like air, cold air, like grass, like dust, or like atmospheric conditions, cloudy space conditions, at that time, when it is the allergic conditions, at that time body secrete the histamine secretion in the body. That is the histaminic secretions. That histaminic secretion controlled by the antihistaminic drugs, and antihistaminic drugs are the class which depress the central nervous system, seen as depression drugs. So that in that class, example is the cetirizine. Cetirizine used to regulate the histamine secretion in the body, but after taking the cetirizine in the body, there is some depression in the nervous system, dizziness, sleeping, uh, like symptoms arises in the body. The structure and chemical class and uses of cetirizine. It is belonging to piperazine class of the compound. Structure is given. It is the structure of cetirizine having the rings structure. Benzene ring attaches CH, CH attaches nitrogen, having the 6-membered ring to nitrogen, nitrogen attached with the CS2, then CH2O, CH2COOH. Means in this two functional group, एक acidic group, another one is chlorine, another is the ether. Cetirizine hydrochloride used as a cetirizine hydrochloride is used as a long-acting antihistaminic agents. Long-acting antihistaminic agent. Cetirizine hydrochloride is used as a long-acting antihistaminic agent in general allergic conditions. It does not cause sedation. The side effects are mild drowsiness and dryness of the mouth. Next one is the bronchodilators. Bronchodilator. Bronchi. What is the bronchi? Bronchi is the part of the lungs. Bronchi is the part of the lungs where exchange of gases takes place, that is intake of oxygen and removal of the carbon dioxide takes place. This is the site of the actions. The bronchi is the part of the lungs. The working part of the lungs is called as bronchioli, bronchi. And bronchodilator, when there is a infection in the lungs or a disease like asthma, cold, cough, at that time the opening from where exchange of gases takes place, that opening is become narrow and exchange of gases create a problems. At that times the drug should be provided, such type of drug should be provided which dilate that opening, the openings, so that it can be work properly. If dilation of that opening means easily and properly exchange of gases takes place. Sometimes in diseases that opening is covered by the sticky materials like cough or any secretion that block. Generally in the case of COVID-19, in the era of COVID-19, nowadays there is a formation of sticky material inside the lungs and in the throat. That sticky material opposes the entry and exit of this respiration with oxygen and carbon dioxide. Ultimately body not getting properly oxygen and carbon dioxide not in exhale from the body. At that time constriction takes place and patient loses his life. Patient went on the ventilator also, but after some time if not responding patient for the ventilator, then the death will be the definitely. So this is covered by giving the bronchodilator. Opening is open, dilate. It's the bronchodilator. Bronchodilator are the drug which used to open the narrow air passage by addition of bronchi and bronchioles and thus facilitate the breathing process. They help to relax the smooth muscles around the bronchi, facilitate the breathing and provide the relief in the respiratory disease like asthma, bronchitis. Number of drugs from different pharmacological groups acts as a bronchodilator by relaxing the smooth muscles of the respiratory tract. Theophylline, belonging to xanthine group, is a CNS stimulant which is useful bronchodilator. What are the dyes? Give the any two properties which are required in the dyes. In the next topic we will discuss on the dyes. Friends, we are discussing on the important questions. Drug and dyes, cover all that part. Definitely you will be benefited. We are taking the important and very important questions so that all the part will be covered easily. In the next lecture we will discuss the dyes. Friends, one request for you, please do the practice of organic chemistry regularly, otherwise it will be feel you difficult types of organic chemistry. Okay, thank you friends. We'll cover next part in the next lecture. Thank you.